Using live stickers in Facebook Messenger on iPhone running iOS 17 is a fun way to personalize your chats. So today we are here with a guide on how you can create and use live stickers. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Photos app. Find a photo or video where you want to create a live sticker. Now, tap and hold the subject, example a person or object in the image until it is outlined, and simply select Add Sticker from the pop-up. Now here you can also edit it using different versions available there according to your preferences, and once done, tap on the done in the top right corner. Now open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Inside Messenger, simply go to the text you want to send stickers to. Now here, tap on the AA keyboard option available there. Now tap on the emoji option available in your keypad. Then there you can see your edited sticker available. Now simply tap on this sticker, or you can browse categories or also search for the other stickers and it will be sent. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.